Varun Kumar Riat I, Tech Consultant .lpgs.com. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to index your website. Your website is indexed with the formula. It will move to the HTTPS and it will show up like this. Keep watching. I will tell you how to index your website. Guys, so what did I do? What you have to do to get your website indexed? First, you have to go to Google. Go to type on Google. Type everything on Google. Go to this tool. Open Search Console. Search Console. Here we have to do two things. First, we have to choose the category over here, digital marketing. Put the website link here and start indexing. So all the search engines index the website in 1 2 days. 2 days only. Now start indexing. It will give a request to index this website in all the search engines. So it's giving the after this we have to go to Google Search Console. This is done. Now all search engines will go to request to index this page, this website. Now set save. 8 pages. So now what we have to do? Now we have to go to Search Console, add property. Over here, put the domain, continue. It is already indexed. But what you have to do over here is it will give you a code. So it will give you a code. My website in Search Console is verified right now. It is verified. Add property. But you have to go to Search Console. The Search Console will give you a code. You have to put here. It is a lead pages website, so you have to put the code here. Go to sites, go to this site, edit. Just 1 minute, and we have to put the code, and it will be verified. And then your website will be indexed, and you can search your website name on Google. Here we have to go to pages, home, edit pages, SEO. So this is the place where you have to put that code. This is the code which you will get from Google Search Console over here. I have already got it, that's why I'm not getting it again. Put this code here and save. Click on save. And then it will be attached to Google Search Console, and you can easily see your website impressions, total clicks, average CTR, average position, index pages. 5 index pages. So that's it, guys. Like the video and hope you understand. If you have any questions, then please let me know. I will answer all your question in the comments, or you can email me. And please subscribe the video.